Hey there and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking all about skincare. A complete daily routine that's simple, effective, and perfect for anyone looking to achieve healthy, glowing skin. Whether you're a skincare beginner or just looking to refresh your routine, this guide will walk you through step by step what to do in the morning and at night. Let's get started. Morning skincare routine. Your morning routine is all about protection and preparation. It helps your skin get ready to face the day, whether you're heading out or staying indoors. Step 1. Cleanser. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, go for a foaming or gel-based cleanser to remove excess oil. If your skin is dry or sensitive, a hydrating or cream-based cleanser will keep your skin soft and calm. Massage the cleanser gently into your skin for about 30 seconds. Then rinse with lukewarm water and pat your face dry with a soft towel. Step 2. Toner. Next up, toner. This step helps to balance your skin's pH, tighten pores, and remove any leftover impurities after cleansing. Look for an alcohol-free toner, something soothing with ingredients like rose water, green tea, or witch hazel. Apply it using a cotton pad or just tap it into your skin using your fingers. Step 3. Moisturizer. Moisturizing is essential, no matter your skin type. If you have oily skin, choose a lightweight, oil-free moisturizer or gel-based formula. For dry skin, go for a creamier, more nourishing moisturizer to keep your skin soft and hydrated throughout the day. Apply it evenly to your face and neck using upward strokes. Step 4. Sunscreen. Now for the most important step, sunscreen. Even if you're staying inside or it's a cloudy day, UV rays can still damage your skin. Use a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30. And make sure to apply enough, about a quarter teaspoon for your face alone. This step helps prevent premature aging, sunburn, and dark spots. And that's your morning skincare done. It should take no more than 10 minutes, and your skin will thank you for it all day long. Nighttime skincare routine. Your night routine is focused on repairing and nourishing your skin. Throughout the day, your skin collects dirt, oil, sweat, and pollution, and this is your time to clean and refresh. Step 1. Remove makeup. If you've worn makeup, the first step is to remove it completely. Use micellar water, a cleansing oil, or a cleansing balm. This breaks down foundation, mascara, and even sunscreen so your skin can breathe. Tip 2. Double cleanse. Yes, double cleansing is key, especially at night. Start with an oil-based cleanser to dissolve makeup and excess sebum. Then follow up with your regular water-based or gel cleanser to remove dirt, sweat, and dead skin. This two-step cleansing ensures your skin is completely clean without feeling stripped or dry. Step 3. Serum. This is your treatment step. Choose a serum based on what your skin needs. For brightening and reducing dark spots, go for a vitamin C serum. For hydration and plumpness, hyaluronic acid is your best friend. For anti-aging or acne, consider serums with retinol, niacinamide, or peptides. Apply a few drops and gently pat it into your skin until it's fully absorbed. Step 4. Moisturizer or night cream. At night, your skin does most of its healing, so a good moisturizer is essential. Use a nourishing night cream or a slightly thicker moisturizer to lock in hydration. Massage it gently into your skin and don't forget your neck. Optional steps: eye cream and lip balm. If your under-eye area tends to get puffy or dark, use a small amount of eye cream to keep it moisturized and smooth. And finally, apply a hydrating lip balm so you wake up with soft, smooth lips. Consistency is key. That's it. A complete skincare routine you can follow every day. It's not about using 20 different products. It's about using the right products consistently. Stick to this for a few weeks, and you'll start seeing visible improvements, clearer skin, an even tone, and a natural glow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below telling us your favorite skincare product or tip. We love hearing from you. Thank you for watching. And remember, take care of your skin because it takes care of you.